Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can delete absolutely all posts in Instagram in one click. Please subscribe to our channel. Be sure to write your likes, comments after watching the video and put your likes. Let us get started with you. So, first of all, open up, of course, the Instagram app. Next, go to your profile. At the top, click on the three bars and go to Settings. And here you'll need to find a setting like this, which is called Account Type and Tools. And next you will need to switch to Professional Account. Yes, friends, in order for you to be able to delete a lot of messages, a lot of correspondence at once, you will need to switch to the Professional Account first. You do a little bit of simple scrolling. You find the subsection for the Professional Account. You find the account type, the tools, and just switch to the Professional Account. In terms of time, it won't take more than half a minute or a minute tops. You just need to agree to some actions that Instagram offers you. And that's the end of it. Once you've switched to a Professional Account, you'll be able to check it out when you see a window like this on your page. That means that you're now on the Professional Account. And then you go back to the main Instagram page, go to your correspondences. And this is where, when you're attracted to the Professional Account, you'll have, first of all, a couple of sections. These are basic correspondences and general correspondences. And let's say, if you just want to not see correspondence with a certain person, you can move it from main to general. To do that, you swipe to the left side of it and just select general. And that way, if you then go to general, you'll see the correspondence, but it won't be flashing in your main conversations all the time. If you do want to delete a conversation or even a few, then you have to click on the three dots at the top, then select Chats, and you select all the chats you want to delete. After that, you press Delete your chats, after which they will be deleted from your Instagram immediately. This is the way, friends, you will be able to delete all the posts at once in Instagram app. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments, and also subscribe to our channel. See you later.